Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Yamaha FZ-8. This sport bike just arrived with only 17,000 miles. Inline 4-cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's got a lot of great upgrades, including LED turn signals, custom grips, steel braided brake lines. Wait till you hear that awesome sounding Graves exhaust. It's got a carbon fiber tail section, fender eliminator. This bike is in beautiful shape, matte gray finish with blue highlights. Come on by, make your inline 4-cylinder dreams come true with this awesome FZ-800. Only $54.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh, yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.